Welcome dear viewers to this new video in which we present to you an important topic in the world of real estate. Before starting, please subscribe to the channel and watch the entire video. Thank you.
There are many countries that offer citizenship in exchange for owning a property. As owning a second passport is a dream for many people, many countries around the world allow this dream to be achieved under conditions that some consider expensive due to the high financial cost of purchasing a passport for a particular country. On the other hand, competition has intensified between many countries to attract foreign investments and labor, through many facilities and incentives to attract capital and grant it citizenship, in exchange for owning real estate whose prices vary from one country to another. Today, we will provide a comprehensive explanation of 10 countries that allow the possibility of obtaining residency or citizenship in exchange for a huge financial investment such as owning a particular property. 1. The Republic of Turkey. In 2018, the Turkish government amended laws and conditions that some considered expensive to obtain Turkish citizenship, as the previous law required an investment of $1 million to obtain a Turkish passport. The amendments to the executive decision came as follows. Purchasing and owning a property worth no less than $250,000 instead of $1 million. Fixed investment of not less than $500,000 instead of $2 million previously. Depositing an amount of $500,000 in Turkish banks instead of $3 million previously. Providing job opportunities for 50 Turkish citizens instead of 100 citizens previously. The Turkish passport allows travel to more than 72 countries without the need for a visa. 2. Republic of Cyprus. The Cypriot state allows those wishing to obtain its passport from families or individuals to obtain Cypriot citizenship under expensive conditions, which are owning a residential property or a group of properties worth not less than €2 million, with a 6-month residence to obtain citizenship, and the ability to travel to 171 countries without the need for a visa, including the Schengen Organization, the United Kingdom, Canada, Singapore, and India. The CEO of the Cyprus Developers Alliance announced that his company attracts investors and obtains a 2-year residence on condition of purchasing residential units worth between €250,000 and €300,000. 3. Republic of Malta. You will be able to obtain citizenship from the state of Malta and carry its passport that allows you to enter more than 160 countries around the world, including the United States of America, if you invest an amount of €250,000 within a maximum period of 1 year. 4. Kingdom of Spain. Spain requires that the price of the property owner exceeds €500,000 to grant him the right of residence, which is called the Golden Visa, and its duration does not exceed 15 days for a full year with the possibility of renewal. After a full year, he can obtain a 2-year residence that can be renewed again, then enter the permanent residence stage and apply for Spanish citizenship. 5. Republic of Latvia. The Republic of Latvia is located in northeastern Europe, and important amendments have been issued to the foreign investment laws in Latvia, which stipulated an investment of no less than €36,000 to purchase real estate or government bonds without interest to obtain a 5-year residence and then apply for citizenship. 6. Dominica. Dominica is an island in the Caribbean Sea, characterized by a calm atmosphere and picturesque, unpolluted nature. This small island offers a simple and attractive citizenship program, which is manifested by purchasing a residential property worth no more than $200,000, which will enable you to obtain a passport that grants you the right to enter more than 100 countries without a visa. 7. Greece. Greece offers a permanent residence service in exchange for purchasing and owning a residential property worth no less than $300,000. Foreigners residing in Greece who own real estate for 7 years or more have the opportunity to obtain citizenship and a Greek passport that allows them to enter any country in the European Union. 8. Republic of Portugal. Portugal follows in the footsteps of its neighbor Spain in the conditions for obtaining citizenship through real estate ownership, as foreigners are allowed to reside in Portugal after purchasing a residential property worth more than $500,000, and after completing 6 years of residence, you are entitled to obtain full citizenship. 9. Republic of Switzerland. Switzerland is one of the most attractive countries for investment in the world, as it grants permanent residence permits to foreign citizens on condition of purchasing or owning a residential property worth $1 million, and the owner of the property must wait 12 years to become eligible for full Swiss citizenship and obtain its passport. 10. Principality of Monaco requires foreigners to obtain its residence permits,